Hey guys, today we're going to be experimenting with Play-Doh and making it slime with original scent lotion. It might work. This is really old, so I decided I would use it. Let's just get on with the video. So we are going to take this normal red thing of Play-Doh. Let me move everything out of the way so I can get something to hold the camera up steady. Okay, like that. Alright, so there it is. So it is up steady, I believe so. So here's the Play-Doh right here.
Do me a favor. Stop using my bathroom.
And here is my lotion. So we're going to open this, and we are going to open this up and start it now. So I'm going to put the lotion in off camera because it's a little hard. Alright, so I sprit it in there. So I put it in, and it's really, really hard to.
Please don't go in there at all. You're stressing it, dude.
Make it into slime. It's like extremely gross when you start to make it into slime. It kind of had to do with so I put the thing in. It's really crumbly, but it's turning out into a bit of slime. So as you can see, it's less Play-Doh-y, more slimy. It's cool, I guess. I think it makes it funner, maybe. I particularly don't know what the concept of it to making Play-Doh, which is supposed to be Play-Doh into slime. Because I think Play-Doh is the concept of being Play-Doh. This barely has. So here's what it looks like when you put the thing in it. We're gonna now move it around with the bigger clump. It's kind of turning into more soft, I guess. A little more stretchable, but more sticky, I guess we could say. Like, it's still moldable in its ways. Oh, amazing what's coming. It's more moldable. Just regular Play-Doh-y. But we're going to see what happens if we add like a lot more. And here, I'm going to try to do this on camera. So I'm just going it technically around. I hope you guys can see this. But I'm trying to film it on camera. So I think it's really cool. It makes it like a softer texture. So this is really cool, I guess. This helps a lot if you don't have the material to buy slime. It's just not pokey. See, I'll try to poke it. We're going to try to run it under water and see how that works. So, Lego. So here is this, well, done turning into slime. So we are just going to do this. So I will see you guys right here. Hello, welcome to my sink. So let me just let it. Here we are. Now it's wet. Let's see. we can do now that it's wet, oh gosh, it kind of got on the camera a bit, that's okay. So now we're going to add more lotion because that could have made all the lotion go away. So it made it more slimy, but now that it's wet, it's kind of like leaking out of my hands. So we're going to let it. So here, let me show you it now. Way better, way awesomer, way cool. It just leaves marks on your hands, I guess. But it's swag, it's sweet, I like it. I think it's a cool tip. So we're gonna keep this in my studio because it's covered in our slime now. So that really helped. I think that was a really neat tip that my friend gave me, which I'm not gonna say her name unless she wants me to. That's a really neat tip. If you want to know some tips from her, then I will ask her some tips tomorrow because I will be seeing her. So thank you all so much for being so nice to watch this video, and I will see you later.